So I'm Sukhi Daliwhal. I'm the owner of the Kismet Winery. About 25 years ago, 30 years ago, we used to have like cherry orchard, all orchard, and we have a Slimline spray since that time. Then we converted to vineyard, and now we have the Slimline like nice tower spray, and we just can spray right on the canopy instead of making big cloud, saving a lot of chemical. Plus we saving a lot of fuel because we not have to run the RPM so high. We just running low RPM because those turbine is so good. They are stainless steel, easy to clean, easy to the maintenance, and good penetration. So penetration means we not have to add more chemical or too much. The making money because we doesn't have any disease since we have the Slimline. So we not have to drop any crop on the ground because no powdery mildew. So we are making money, actually making more money. So I recommend to everybody to go with the Slimline.